Sabyasachi, the BJP blaming the RJD and the brinkmanship, vice versa. Where is this now going? And I was trying to understand and asking that question to Mrityunjay Tiwari. What seems to be the wave of the RJD and the BJP in Lakhisarai, from where the current Deputy Chief Minister himself is contesting? And mind you, this very morning, Lakhisarai reported the lowest voter turnout at about 8 a.m. What does that essentially tell us? And is this going to continue? This Jungle Raj narrative going to continue in the phase 2 of the elections as well? Very recently, the Prime Minister in Bhagalpur again took that katta jibe at the Mahagathbandhan.
Well, definitely. See, the Jungle Raj jibe is going to continue on the second phase itself, because it has come from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, from Home Minister Amit Shah, and different top leaders from the NDA, in fact, have been talking about the Jungle Raj, have been talking about the Jungle Raj under Lalu Prasad Yadav, and somewhere it has caused a dent to Mr. Tejaswi Yadav, because till now, remember, the Jungle Raj was related to Lalu Prasad Yadav, but the questions of Jungle Raj are still being asked from Mr. Tejaswi Yadav. So somewhere the RJD has to face the Jungle Raj question time and again. See, this is the very point which the BJP have been highlighting, that the Jungle Raj is still there, and if RJD comes into power, then the Jungle Raj situation will return in the state of Bihar. See, the Deputy CM of Bihar, Mr. Vijay Sinha, he was going to visit to one of the polling booth in Lakhisarai. He in fact said that one of his polling agent who belonged to the marginalized community was not allowed to cast his vote, in fact, early in the morning at around 6:30, and he was continuously getting complaints that people were not allowed to cast their vote in that particular booth. The booth number is around 404 and 405. See, that's when the Deputy Chief Minister decided that he himself would visit the polling booth and see what is the situation. But when he reached the area, a lot of people came out on the street. In fact, they blocked his way, and they threw stones, they hurled abuses, they hurled jibes of Murdabad, and they even hurled a shoe at his car. So this has upset Mr. Vijay Sinha. In fact, threatened to use bulldozer on the chest of the people who created, who blocked his convoy. In fact, created chaos in that particular area, and a stern warning came in from the Deputy Chief Minister himself. But the RJD at this particular time clearly says that it is the general public who are not happy with the kind of work that has been done. They are not happy because no work, in fact, has been done in the area of Lakhisarai, and that is the reason why people have come out on the street.
Sabyasachi, stay on with us. We're getting some live visuals as well. That's Vijay Sinha. He's still sitting in his car and, you know, seems to be making some frantic phone calls at this point in time. But, you know, we earlier saw that little child also on the stage where the RJD was, you know, addressing the gathering. Over there also, the word katta came out, the country made pistol. And we're looking at the phase 2 of the elections as well. Several of those seats that the Prime Minister is constantly attacking the Mahagathbandhan for. Is this going to continue as a narrative? And you visited Bihar yourself. So, you know, when you were doing your round, Sabyasachi, when you spoke to people over there, is it really a matter, is it really a poll issue that matters to the people on the ground? Because safety is, of course, a prime concern for anybody, be it an urban setup or a rural one.
Well, definitely. See, the Jungle Raj is something which every single people in the state of Bihar knows about, and every single people is aware about the law and order situation. See, everybody knew what kind of law and order situation was under the regime of Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav. In fact, in Patna, when I visited the Marine Drive area, a lot of people were there, a lot of youth were there, because a lot of stalls, food stalls are there. In fact, a lot of the people said that earlier it was not possible for them to have something on the road, sit in the Marine Drive area so peacefully till late in the night, but under this present government it is possible. But when you visit areas like Raghopur and areas like Mahua, which is RJD dominant, in fact they extend their support to Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav, to Tejaswi Yadav. Now in fact it's going to be a heavily contested battle, because a lot of the people say that a lot of work has been done. In fact, if you talk about the kind of roads that that has been developed under the Nitish Kumar government, the kind of infrastructure development that has taken place, people are talking about it. But people are also talking about the fact that there are no job opportunities or new factories that are being set up in the state. So clearly there are people who are optimistic that with Nitish Kumar will repeat the term. But there are also people who are saying that there needs to be more work. In fact, they feel that the other states in the country, the way they are developing, in the same pace Bihar is not developing. So that is a complaint which I have come across from a lot of people. In fact, today also, while people were casting their vote, they were talking about the pace of the development has not taken place. But yes, they have accepted that under the present government, development is taking place. But when you talk about the Jungle Raj, in fact, people have said that the Jungle Raj was there at time. In fact, the people said that crime is continuing at this particular time as well. But yes, there is a check. The police is active. The law and order situation is good, but yes, there are crimes taking place. But compared to the tenure of Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav, which the BJP has been continuously highlighting right from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to all the heavyweights of the NDA, they have been continuously attacking the RJD of Jungle Raj. They have been stating that the RJD has the culture of glorifying Katta culture, glorifying gun culture. In fact, the video that went viral yesterday, the BJP clearly, the BJP and the JDU hit out at the RJD, stating that this is the mindset which the NDA leaders have been talking about, and this is the mindset from which the people of Bihar want to be completely free. And the BJP have warned the people of Bihar that if RJD comes into power, the same situation which was seen 30 years back during the tenure of Lalu Prasad Yadav, the same situation is going to once again prevail in the state of Bihar.